Why does your scanner show the P0076 engine code? What does it mean? P0076 is a diagnostic trouble code for intake valve control solenoid circuit low bank 1. This engine code indicates that this can result in symptoms like a check engine light, rough idling, and decreased fuel efficiency. Common causes include faulty solenoids, damaged wiring, poor connections, or even issues with the ECM itself. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty VVT solenoid, wiring or connector issues, low engine oil or poor oil quality, faulty oil filter, PCM or ECM failure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Hyundai and Kia models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.